We understand how important garments are to our employees and their safety. So using Clean as a laundry service ensures the garments are cleaned and washed correctly. My name's Carys Edmunds and I'm the Business Development and Marketing Manager here at Cottam and Brookes Engineering. We design and manufacture precision parts and complex assemblies in a range of aluminium and specialist alloys. We work to the finest of tolerances. We operate machining for CNC milling and turning, as well as fabrication and spark erosion. In instances where a part is obsolete, we can reverse engineer or design a new concept to be manufactured. We primarily supply engine tooling for commercial maintenance repair overall shops and have recently diverted into other business divisions. If we didn't have the correct workwear as a business, our engineers couldn't operate on production. We have fabrication in-house. Therefore, if that fabricator was to take his garments home to be washed, he is putting his own self at danger, as your washing machines at home will remove that garment protection. So the services Clean provide is much better than washing your garments at home. Clean provide a service which ensures the garments maintain their properties, which protects your employees long term. From a workwear supplier, we expect everything to operate smoothly. I don't have to get involved in the procedure. We expect them to control it all themselves, so it just runs in the background. With any concerns I've had, I've instantly emailed one of your colleagues, to which they replied the same day. Clean is very efficient. They take on board your concerns as a customer and deal with that quite promptly. We've got 3 garments per employee, and as it currently stands, there's been no stock issues. What I liked about Clean was their enthusiasm and their can-do attitude, that nothing was too much trouble, and what I required, they could fulfill. I would recommend Clean as your garment provider, as they follow the correct procedures of washing the garments to health and safety requirements, which ensure that your employees are safe. I wouldn't hesitate to recommend using Clean.
If you were going to tell a friend about Clean, what is it about Clean services that you would recommend?
Clean are lush.